2024 GMC Sierra 3500 HD This truck offers a full-size interior while delivering on versatility. It delivers power and performance, along with tons of features such as side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, four-wheel drive, diesel fuel, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential. Ready to take home the car of your dreams?